Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. In this reading, I'm going to give you guys general messages and love messages for Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. Please give me general messages. Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising. I do see Pisces, there's a lot of stability coming in for a lot of you for the month of December. For a very long period of time, this is probably a workspace wherein you guys have been trying to strike a balance. The road has been the grounds have been shaky. Lots of roadblocks. Some of you could be like really at a very great position at your workplace. Some of you could be like CEOs. But I do see that for the longest time, you guys had been really struggling to stand your ground. I do see that after like a lot of ups and downs, you guys have finally reached a space wherein you are grounded, where you are stable, where you are finally able to enjoy all that you have made. I am getting a message for some of you Pisces that a lot of you guys have been dealing with a lot of issues on a subconscious level. There's moon in reverse on the bottom energy. So all that you guys were facing in the past, like all the shaky grounds and ups and downs, these were probably deep-rooted spiritual problems. These were probably issues that were never addressed but were resurfacing. I do see that a lot of you guys have been, like in the past couple of months, you guys had been really aggressively dealing with all of these issues, trying to heal yourself. And I do see that, after after a long way, you guys have finally hit a point of stability. You guys have finally hit a point where you can say that, yes, I am at peace. Yes, I like what is happening in my life. Yes, I am able to see the beauty. So I do see that for a lot of you guys. Give me more general messages for Pisces and Moon Rising for the month of December. Give me general messages. More general messages. A lot of forward movement, Pisces. A lot of forward movement for the month of December. All the healing, all the practices that you guys had been doing. It could be spiritual practices, it could be mental health practices. Some of you were journaling, some of you were writing, some of you were just breathing consciously. So I do see that all of those things have marked like a pre and a post period in your life. All the practices that you guys have been doing, it could just simply be conscious of your actions or just realizing the hard work that it has taken you to reach this space. I do see that something new, like a new wave within you has started, and that is certainly bringing you guys a lot of emotional fulfillment. This could be wish fulfillment was for some of you. You know, you guys had been really wanting to be in this space of forward movement for a very long period of time. So I do see that a lot of you guys are finally in that space, and you know, you guys can finally relax. If there was a particular work project that you guys were working on, then then that has come to stability, or just your general state of mind, or just your finances. But I do see that there is some sort of wish fulfillment happening over here, and you are finally, there's King of Pentacles and there's the Empress energy, there's Nine of Cups as well. So I do see that a lot of you guys are finally feeling like you're in your power, and you guys are finally feeling like you have manifested what you always wanted to, and now you have it all. Now you literally have it all. Like you have used manifestation techniques. You have literally like gave it all that you had, and now you're looking extremely amazing to the outer world. And now because you're feeling that way inside, your money is good, your state of mind is good, your emotions are good. Spiritually, you're just sort of feeling aligned with the universe. And I do see that nothing is holding you back for the month of December. Nothing holds you back. You have come above all the conflicts, all the conflicting energy. You have fought these demons within yourself, and now you're finally in a space where you are going to be certainly enjoying the fruit of all the hard work that you guys have been putting into your mind and soul for the past couple of months, for the past 9 or 10 months, so to say. If this reading is resonating with you, Pisces, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will now give you guys some love messages for the month of December. The month of December is definitely going to be about a lot of wish fulfillment for a lot of you guys. Yes, there's forward movement. You guys are definitely taking the next steps. Give me love messages for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, month of December. Give me love messages. Give me love messages for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. I do see, Pisces, some of you, you guys had been so engrossed in building yourself, in establishing yourself materialistically, that now when you are focusing on your love sphere of life, now when you're focusing on your partner, you just sort of, some of you are feeling like left out in the cold, some of you are feeling disconnected with your partners. Some of you could be dealing with somebody who's younger than you, like could be, like mentally, or like somebody who's mentally immature, or somebody who's just like, there's a huge age gap between you and this person. I do see that all of a sudden, maybe because your vibration is rising, because your mental state is rising, your spiritual state is rising, all of a sudden you just sort of feel this weird disconnect between you and this person. You're just starting to think where this equation is going. You're just starting to really question your decision of being with them. Some of you could be feeling left out and cold by this person, but you're not feeling left out and cold because this person is leaving you out and cold. You are just feeling left out and cold because you are not able to exude the same sort of warmth that you felt earlier for them. So I do see that for a lot of you guys. You're really somehow not able to validate this equation. Some of you are already married to this person also, or some of you have been like in like a really long-term equation with this person. But yes, there is some sort of lack of validation for your own damn feelings. So give me more. What is the intention of this person towards Pisces? I'm finding out the intention. What is the intention? Okay, Pisces, the person that you guys are dealing with, somewhere or the other, if there has been a break between both of you, this person is manifesting you, because this person, now that you have grown to another level in life, you're looking extremely hot, you're looking extremely pretty, and you're looking extremely desirable to the outer world. This person definitely is nostalgic in this moment, if you guys have, taken like a break. Or this person is just reminiscing the good old days. This person is just, playing those memories of you and them in their head again and again, and they're desperate for that time to come back, for those feelings to come back. So this person definitely wants to. So the message that I'm getting is that probably you just got so invested in your work and in your finances that you just sort of stopped really providing them with that kind of warmth, and now this person definitely craves for it. And now that you learn to respect yourself, now that you learn to value yourself, this person is all the more desperate to get the same kind of attention from you. What's the blockage between Pisces, Sun, and rising in this person? The blockage could be, Pisces, that somewhere or other you have started feeling that this equation has got nothing more to it than great sex. Like probably now you're questioning your decision, because you've just realized that when you look at this relationship, when you try to really judge and evaluate this relationship for you, this relationship literally brings you nothing but good sexual intimacy, and you are definitely at a stage where you need more from an equation than just good sex. So I do see that's like a blockage, wherein you just feel that okay, this relationship is not nurtured, or this relationship has not grown to a point where this has got anything to offer other than great sex. And some of you, the blockage could also be lack of passion, because both the parties are not really working towards it. For some of you, I'm getting a message that, for the longest time you were taking a lead, and now that you're not taking a lead, nothing is happening, because the person that you guys are dealing with is so used to you taking the lead that now that you have stopped, this person is literally not doing anything about it except for wishful thinking. How does Pisces feel for this person? How does Pisces feel for this person? I do see, Pisces, for the longest time and until now, you have had really genuine emotions and love for this person, and you have offered it all to them. But when you couldn't really see any harmony prevailing in this equation, when you could just see that all this person does is take away from you and escapes every now and then, without reciprocating. This equation has certainly, made you anxious. This equation has certainly added to your anxiety, added to your sleep deprivation, added to your sadness. And now that you are on a healing spree, now that you are at that place where you're like, okay, even if you have been with me for 10 years, I'm not going to keep you in my life for the sake of those years. I want more. I want, I want security out of a relationship. I want reciprocal energy out of a relationship. And I do see that the month of December, and for quite a while now, you guys are extremely focused on your healing. You guys are focused on gaining that confidence back. So you really give a fuck if whoever is coming in, whoever is leaving. What is the action that this person plans on taking towards Pisces? What is the action that this person plans on taking towards Pisces? Pisces, the person that you guys are dealing with definitely celebrates your existence in their life, because you guys have been doing, because you've literally done it all. I do see that this person does not know the art of giving. This person does not know the art of really maintaining a relationship. So this person is definitely going to feel burdened. This person is definitely going to feel burdened now that they realize the onus is on them, and you've already made them feel like okay, if you don't do this for this equation, we're done. So this person is sort of going to feel burdened about it. This person definitely wants to, like, if you've been in a relationship with them, they want to marry you. If you are married to them, they want to sustain this equation. So I do see that no matter how burdened they feel, they are still going to, really try to sustain this relationship. I'll now pull out advice for you. Give me advice for December, for the month of December. Please give me advice. The advice for you, Pisces, is, definitely to, first of all, keep doing you as you've been doing. Keep moving forward. Keep moving in the direction where your healing lies, where your growth lies, where your success lies. At the same time, even if, you have been in a long-term relationship with somebody, and if this person has hurt you in the past, so do not carry those pain bodies. If you can clearly see that this person is making efforts, that the other person is now undoing their mistakes. Sometimes we don't at all times we must remember that we give other people the license to treat us how they treat us. If we let them know that we are okay with, their second-class citizen treatment, and that we're okay with really not giving, we're okay with them not giving a flying fuck about us, then that's how they're going to treat us. But now that you're in a power, and now that you're letting people know how you would like to be treated, so you must give them a benefit of doubt. Because I do see that this person wants to move towards you, this person wants to offer you love, this person wants to cultivate the art of really giving love. So maybe just look at it with a fresh lens. Do not view this person and this relationship with the lenses of past, because now you're a new person. You must believe in your healing. You must believe in your rejuvenated self. You must believe that now you will no longer attract or keep the people in your frequency who don't belong there. And I mean, that's how the universe functions, that if somebody doesn't belong there, they just don't get to stay there. If your vibration is this, that's what you're going to attract. All the people who are low vibration are going to fall off. So this person is definitely trying to match that vibe. Give them some time and just believe in your healing. Just believe in your vibration. Believe in your frequency. Believe that whatever doesn't belong here is naturally going to fall off. And keep doing you. Keep moving forward. And stop looking at your life with the lenses of past, because you are renewed and nothing is going to be the same. This is it for the month of December, guys. I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if it resonated. And I will see you guys next month.